Okay, this is the radiator support on a 67 Chevelle or El Camino, same thing. This is the front before we totally disassemble it. So, here's the support for the grill. Comes up here, bolts right here. Here's the hood latch. Hood latch goes like this. And there's little clips. This one's rusted off. The radiator support bushings go here. And over here at each headlight pocket, there's a little spring that's soon to be removed. Hooks on the side of the headlight. And then the headlight hooks into these screws. This one's missing. Hooks into these to adjust the headlight where it's shining. Those are going to be popped out so we can have this thing blasted and painted. Same on this side. Those springs are on the inside. And then all these little adjuster screws that I'm sure will break when I remove them. Flipping it over to the back side. The back side, this is the radiator shroud, which I think might be an option on air-conditioned cars. That's going to come off here and here. Here's the little clips for the headlights. Those I'm sure will break when I take them off. A ground for one of the circuits for power goes here. Coming to this side. Now this is what's left of the battery bracket. Radiator or the hood latch. The wiring harness goes along here. Has these little clips. Clip in across the top. Over here we have a couple modules. Figure out what they do later. Here and here. I don't know what this bracket's for. Maybe washer fluid? Nope. Here's those headlight adjusters again. There's where it sits. Well, hopefully it sandblasts out and it's good to go.